I'm going to, that's my mom singing by the way, just ignore her.
Welcome to Plada. Sa Pladita pala.
She speaks Filipino.
Sinta, sa piling mo ay mayroong
Really like the
buhay.
show. Yeah,
Sa piling mo hindi ako
never made it to
nag-isa.
mansion by the way.
Ang lahat
No, not mansion, museum.
abot kamay. Kapag kapiling ka,
I'm trying to steal all the
Sinta,
stuff.
ang puso ko'y ginising mo sa tamis ng iyong
Looks like someone
pag-ibig. Hello, is ina. Nagkaroon ng kaligayahan, nalimutan kabiguan. Sa piling
Oh, sorry, can you not see?
mo
Oh.
ay mayroong buhay. Sa piling mo
There I go.
hindi ako nag-isa. Ang
You should really try this game, it's super
langit
cool.
ay abot kamay. Kapag kapiling ka, Sinta, sa piling mo ay
I like how
mayroong
it shows on your bag is
buhay.
basic to sit.
Sa piling mo hindi ako nag-isa.
God.
Ang
My God, I need
langit
this.
ay
Sit
abot
off the
kamay.
camera.
Kapag kapiling ka, Sinta,
This
ang
is, I'm just gonna take it.
langit ay abot kamay.
Oh, that's it's
Kapag
getting bigger.
kapiling ka, Sinta, your turn.
God. There you go.
Oh, thank you. Ikaw din mo. Ah, thank you, love. Happy tasking. Ah, sabi niya na. It's your turn.
Look, they're chasing my guy. Oh,
Ah, ganun. Girl version ko lang yun. Lalaki yun eh. Ayun, Layboy. Layboy, welcome to tasking.
why are they so fast?
Thank you. Thank you. Meron pa siya isa, yung ano, yung iwi ka ng pag-ibig. Alam mo yan?
I think I lost her.
Hindi, meron pa siyang isa.
Oh my God,
Hindi,
look how
ano,
big my
iwi ka ng
bag is.
pag-ibig. Kanya din yan.
Just going to take this diamond. Too bad I can't
Hello.
take that. It'll take too long.
Deti, welcome. Hello, Sir Rose, welcome.
Just gonna take this stuff over here.
Jamaro, welcome. Jamaro Sky.
And if I want more,
Jamaro. Deti, Ron, welcome. Happy tasking.
I don't know how he didn't see me.
Okay. Ako din naman eh, umubo rin ako kanina. Ali, welcome.
I'm gonna check here.
Love Star, thank you sa pag-stay. Welcome. Hello, Sisi, MNT. Hello, Sisi. Happy tasking. Hi, Sisi.
I don't know why.
Sisi Mahal, MNT. Happy tasking. Kumusta,
look how
sis?
big my-
Sisi ka?
My bag is full. I'm gonna get back. Back.
Thank you sa pagpunta. Kumusta na sa ano natin, sa group natin?
I'm getting tired of holding down this thing.
Ay, ate. Meet my daughter. There's my daughter.
Yeah, that's my mom's daughter over there.
Panganay ko yun. 18 na.
I'm just going to leave real quick. Okay, am I supposed to leave? I'm just
Matured lang yung itsura niya.
I think I have to pick up an item.
Thank you.
Ooh, how did I miss that diamond?
Easy boy. Kumusta na? Brian, welcome. Happy tasking. Ayun o. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Kanta ni Bing Rodrigo na isa pa? Ano, wika ng pag-ibig ba yun? Sige, hindi ko masyadong ano yun. Try ko lang.
I escaped.
Wika ng pag-ibig. Oh, mga oldies yun.
Oh, God.
Familiar?
Gotta go.
Talaga?
Come on. Lost them.
Kala ko, ano, gusto mo ng oldies eh. Saan mapunta?
Oh, it's about to leave.
Sa silangan kanluran o saan pa malayo man ako.
Yeah, so guys, that game is really fun. You should check it out. So,
Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo nakatuon.
oh, Ate, say hi.
Hi.
I love you. Oh, yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, so there's also badges. I'm going to check out another game. So I'm just gonna find a game real quick. So peace out.